Hi there, Poppin PJ here. Let's make some snowflakes using these. I have one toilet paper and one paper towel roll. I am going to begin this snowflake craft by just taking and pressing the roll flat and making a good crease on each side. I will do the same for the toilet paper roll. I will now make a cut on the crease that I made on the toilet paper roll up to about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch from the top, as I will not be cutting completely through the toilet paper roll. And then I will be making a cut directly between the two creases up to that same point, about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch from the top, and then other cuts between those cuts. And I will do the same for the other side. Next, I will open the roll back up and start to fold down the pieces that I just cut, and they make this cool star-like design. Next, I'm going to take the paper towel roll and start making cuts. Where I am cutting loops that I will be using to transform this paper towel and toilet paper roll into a beautiful snowflake. I am taking and folding some of these pieces in half, as you can see here, and they make a little V shape or bird shape, whatever you want to call it. Push those aside. Now cutting more strips as I did previously, but on these I'm going to cut off each end to make a smaller V or bird shape. Push those away for the time being. I'm going to place the base on this parchment paper here and make the design before I glue it so that I can see what it's going to look like. You have to admit that was pretty easy. Yep, I like it. Now removing all but the first pieces. I am going to be using E6000 to glue the pieces of the snowflake. I'm starting with the big loops. I'm putting E6000 just on one end of the big loops and placing them right inside the opening. Doing the same for the V-shaped pieces that are alternating with the bigger loops. Now putting the E6000 right on the ends of the rays of the snowflake to put the very small V-shaped pieces. It's beginning to look a lot like a snowflake. And this is what it looks like. Now to paint it white, add some pearl-like adhesive borders that I got from the Dollar Tree, as these embellishments will really make the snowflake. Just cut to size and press them on. Here it is. So I had this foam snowflake scatter decorative accents, and I thought this would be perfect to put right on the center of this particular snowflake. Voila, looks good. Magical. Look how beautiful it came out. It's just stunning. It's a stunning piece. Be great on tables, a desk, hanging in the window, on the wall, just wherever. Paper towel and toilet paper roll to beautiful snowflake. So this is a larger snowflake I did using the paper towel roll instead of the toilet paper roll. So it allowed me to put more loops on it, and just is a bigger version of the one that we just did. I am using the adhesive border jeweled embellishments to put on this one as well, because I just think that really gives the snowflake a beautiful look, and so I'm adding those right now. I also just decided on this larger snowflake to put a little E6000 under the adhesive just to make sure that it stays securely. I am putting the jeweled border on every other ray of the snowflake. And I really love the snowflake painted silver. Look how beautiful. On this one, I also had a silver bell from a package of bells from the Dollar Tree. And now I have these battery-operated tea lights. Also, the hole is a perfect size for an LED tea light, and I got these from the Dollar Tree. Using it this way makes for a beautiful centerpiece or table decoration. I think this use is my favorite. Here it is in the window. I made another smaller snowflake with the toilet paper roll and painted it white too. Sprinkling on some blue glitter on this one. Flipping it over and spray painting this side as well. More glitter. Now to add some adhesive jeweled border embellishments. I am placing a border jewel embellishment on every other ray of this snowflake, so 4 of them will go on here. I love that these snowflakes are multi-purpose, and as you can see here, I also have a tea light in the center of the snowflake, and as you can see, it also is great to be an accent piece for a small vase. You just need some fishing line and a little small hole punch if you'd like to hang these snowflakes on the wall or the window. Here is the glitter one on the wall with the tea light sitting right inside of it. Here they are on my window with the tea light sitting inside of them. Cool, huh? I think they're poppin'. They were so much fun to do, really pretty easy, and would be a great craft to do with others, family, friends, coworkers, or just by yourself. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.